It's been called the age of the electronic word. In just a few short years, communications technology has changed so dramatically as to be downright incredible. Switchboard operators now control access to hundreds of phone extensions from one small desktop console. The phone itself is no longer just a phone. It's a programmed unit that remembers numbers and performs other functions at the touch of a button. In many instances, it's completely portable and wireless. Copy machines execute complex operations and manipulations that used to be impossible. The power of the early room-sized computers has been far surpassed and compressed into portable systems no bigger than a briefcase. People don't merely type anymore, they word process, thanks to the electronic intelligence built into office machines. Even the home TV set isn't just for watching the evening news. It's a home entertainment center, capable of receiving programs on 100 channels, some of which are satellite transmitted. It also plays video games and records shows for on-demand viewing. The impact has been, in a word, awesome. But the benefits that these and many other electronic marvels provide haven't come easily or without significant expense. The pressure on high-tech manufacturers to produce smaller, less expensive, and more powerful components than the competition is intense. The manufacturer who plans on leading the pack has to select the components that go into his product with as much care as the end user does in making a choice among competitive brands. And to a high-tech manufacturer, that means picking nothing less than the most dependable, high-quality electronic component supplier he can find. That's our cue. We're Midtex, a division of Midland Ross, and we've been in the business of making top-quality, reliable components for the electronics industry for over 65 years. We'd like to show you how today's Midtex is prepared to meet your needs better than ever before, with a great new line of electronic components, an existing line of proven products, exciting manufacturing improvements, a company-wide commitment to quality, and a customer service program you can depend on. We want to become your most valued source for the relays, transformers, power supply converters, clock oscillators, and quartz crystals that make your product work. We're Midtex. We make it work for you. Let's take a look. One of the most demanding aspects of the electronics industry is its almost insatiable appetite for better, smaller, and more cost-effective technology. At Midtex, we've been more than a match for the challenge. But rather than charge off aimlessly in search of new products to bring to the marketplace, we did something daring. We first asked our customers what they needed to be more competitive. Those answers pointed us in the right direction, and away we went. What new products did we come back with? How about our new Midtex line of miniature relays? Greater sensitivity than most other relays, so they require less energy to operate. And that saves you money. They're smaller, too, which conserves PC board space as well as allowing for closer board stacking. Our new DC to DC converter is a real powerhouse with more features in a smaller package than any comparable product on the market. It's the first miniature model that works directly off the central office 48-volt DC battery supply, eliminating costly power busing in the PC board card cage. The advantages? Significant savings in space, power, and money. The new Midtex switch mode magnetics line is another PC board space saver. Even better, these products ship off the shelf, so you'll always have them when you need them. From the Midtex NEL unit comes a brand new state-of-the-art ECL clock oscillator that addresses the need for higher frequency. But new product development is only one example of how Midtex is helping its customers keep up with the demands of the electronics industry. We've taken a hard look at our manufacturing processes to determine ways to increase component quality as well as product output, and the result has been the installation of new state-of-the-art production equipment in both our Midtex and NEL plants. Equipment like our new surface-mounted device machine, better known as a high-speed automatic pick-and-place system. This amazing machine automatically sequences parts, picks them from tape, stick feed, or vibratory feeders, and places them in proper orientation on the PC board, all the while changing tooling on the fly when needed. Where manual device placement might allow positioning of several hundred parts an hour, this micro-robotic helper can place 3,600 parts in that same time. 4 times the number of actual circuit products in less factory space with the same number of people at a lower cost. And since devices can be mounted within 1/600th of an inch of each other, there's better use of board space as well as increased shielding capability. Another advantage? Accuracy. Less than 1 in 12,000 parts out of place and getting even better. One source of transformer breakdown is wire vibration in the coil winding. Our new vacuum varnish equipment fills air gaps and penetrates the windings, preventing device failure. With our new roto-winder, we've been able to increase output anywhere from 2 to 4 times over the manual procedure while maintaining high-quality windings. Other coil winding equipment has been installed that significantly increases transformer and relay yield. The addition of several 190 relay molding machines designed by Midtex has not only increased parts production capacity, but helped speed assembly operations. Because the 190 parts are molded on continuous strips rather than individually, fewer parts feeding steps are required further down the production line, and that means faster delivery of the finished product. An example of Midtex engineering know-how is the automatic adjusting equipment for the mercury-wetted relay line. Developed by one of our own engineers, this machine works in conjunction with 2 operators who build relays while the machine magnetizes, confirms, and electrically checks assembled relays. The entire procedure from assembly through complete testing takes no more time than it used to take for relay building alone. We're also using a computer-controlled ESI video bridge for measuring the parameters of our transformers. By analyzing the data display, we can assure continued transformer quality. Our NEL unit has also seen exciting manufacturing additions, one of which has led to an output increase of more than 1,000 times over the previous method. By installing several new rocker bevelers, we now contour 4,000 crystal blanks at once. We used to do 3. There's a new centerless grinder that takes crystals from square to round in a lot less time while maintaining high quality. There's even a new computerized blank sorter to help speed the job. Other production upgrades? There's the new automatic plating system that puts a very precise layer of precious metal onto the surface of the quartz crystal. The evenness of coating and metal mass precision gives us much better control over the crystal's design parameters. The result? A better crystal. The automated wire bonding machine attaches a hair-fine gold wire to integrated circuits, 4 at a time. Not only does this mean a 4-fold output increase over manual operations, but the machine recognizes the circuitry, compensates for any mount shifts, and lead bonds all wires in 2/3 less time. Again, increased speed as well as precision. Many of the changes at the NEL unit have yielded incredible improvements in accuracy. For example, the new pick-and-place machine puts extremely small IC chips on the substrate within very close tolerances. Even the new computerized testing equipment is designed to ensure far more accurate production than ever before possible. As a result of these enhancements, Midtex is now, more than ever, positioned to be the supplier the electronics industry relies upon for cost-effective, space-saving, top-quality components. But don't think that quality just happens simply because we've added new equipment. We've introduced a new quality improvement program that represents a major change in the way we design, manufacture, and market. It's a program that touches every operations area of Midtex, from the secretary who types a letter through each step of the manufacturing process, right on to delivery and follow-up. The program is the result of an attitude best described as doing it right the first time. And we're taking several important steps to see that we do it right the first time. We're identifying and correcting mistakes before they occur rather than waiting for someone to catch them at the very end of the production line or on the customer's shelf. We've set a goal of 0 defects. It's a big task, but doing it right the first time is a long first step toward success. We're engineering quality into new products as they're being designed, as well as specifying materials and manufacturing processes that assure our customers' satisfaction with the end results. We're setting up quality improvement teams not only at the division level, but in engineering, manufacturing, and marketing as well. These teams will be striving to reduce the cost of quality. After all, a quality product isn't much of a value if it's unaffordable. We're also adopting 100% inspection on selected products like the 190 and 310 relays with use of our new testing equipment. We've even raised our acceptable quality levels on the rest of the product line to assure delivery of the best products possible. All of this simply means that Midtex wants to give you, the customer, products that can keep you on top in the marketplace. We want you to be 100% satisfied. That's how Midtex makes it work for you. And we know that just making a good product isn't enough. The product has to be available and delivered when it's needed. So here's what we've been doing to ensure top-notch customer service. We've adopted a comprehensive, full-scale computerized information system called Mission. With this program, we'll be able to better plan production resources and materials utilization, maintain tighter inventory control, check production job status, and keep tabs on every step of the manufacturing process. With the integration of accounting, we'll have all the right information to give you up-to-the-minute service. You'll get what you want when you need it. Another way, we make it work. New products, more efficient equipment, new processes, a highly visible quality assurance program, and a fully integrated information-based customer service program. All key elements in the Midtex drive to be your #1 electronic component supplier. There's only one more element needed to make it all work for you: quality people. We happen to think our people are among the best in the industry. We hear daily about how dedicated and skilled the Japanese workers are. They haven't seen the men and women of Midtex. Some of our people have been here over 40 years and helped build our quality reputation from the beginning. They take pride in doing the job right. They're committed. They're our most important resource. And we're adding even more of the same kind of people so we can be still more responsive to your needs. New marketing, sales, and quality assurance managers, design engineers, as well as additional professional staff. They've got their fingers on the pulse of the electronics industry, and they're ready, along with the rest of Midtex, to find the answers to your questions, help design new products to fit your needs, and keep you ahead in this explosive marketplace. The new Midtex is the Midtex you need. Midtex makes it work for you.